Where are the boobs? There we go.
This is the first time I've ever made a mermaid tail, you know? It's not really like a common thing they teach you in school. And my tail is like this close to being completed. Wow, look at this great morning lighting. Just kidding, it is totally the evening and I have not vlogged at all today, not gonna lie. But it was very productive. I finished the front side of my tail. Netflix asked me twice if I was still watching. That's how long I worked on it. But it's completed and I feel really good about it. So this is the completed front side. Very nice, very nice. Look at that. That's so cool. That's so cool. I made that. I did that. I did this. And then I'm gonna swim in it. So that is where we are at today, Monday, February the 4th. Half of a tail. Half of a scaled tail. And a website, but it's not like not finished whatsoever, but I actually have like a storefront and an event still to promote. Looking real cute. It is Tuesday and I am greeting the world. Got an hour to work on this baby. So that's what we're gonna do.
Alright, I'm gonna touch it. Oh, it feels nice. It does feel pretty fishy. Do you want to describe what you're doing?
Oh yeah, sure. Okay, so this is the first mermaid tail that I've ever made. And I did a lot of research and watched a lot of videos and a lot of Pinterest and websites and everything. And people either make fabric tails or silicone tails. Silicone tails are super expensive, very difficult to make. Well, not like difficult, but they just require a lot of space, time, and materials. And fabric tails are easier, but also people refer to silicone tails as more like authentic, professional, like realistic, and fabric tails are more for just like recreation, but they're also like a lot easier to use, swim with, maintain, transport. So there's like a big divide between, and I couldn't decide. So I made both. My base is neoprene and I am putting silicone on top of it. That way I get the authenticity of the feel of the fish, and with the comfort and ease of neoprene. And also neoprene is buoyant and silicone is heavier, so I'm hoping it'll be interesting to see how I feel when I swim with it, but I'm hoping it'll sort of be the perfect balance of neutral buoyancy. But I have no idea, so this is a learning experience.
Cut. That was great. I can't believe you memorized all of those lines.
Thank you. I know,
so
I
good.
studied all night. This isn't like the ideal one I would use. You definitely want to find probably aquarium safe, non-toxic, and all that stuff, but I'm on a budget. And
we don't care about the fish.
not right now, but in the future I will. I mean, I do now, but I also want to just get this done.
Yeah.
And my local Home Depot only had, that was the best option of the options, you know? Yeah, so I put it in my gun, and I just do a little
Your what?
gun.
Caulk gun.
Caulk.
Okay.
Oh, did I?
I mean, it was a little R for a second.
Yeah. Caulk.
Caulk.
I really need to put the L in there.
Yeah. The L's there for a reason.
But I think the L is silent.
Caulk. It's a little silent,
Caulk.
but it shouldn't be as gun.
Caulk.
It's my gun.
Caulk. It's just a weird word now. So once I get, like, you know, some rows of scales, I take glitter and I make it shiny.
Fish friendly glitter. It's actually substitutes as fish food.
Yeah, I'm feeding the fish while that's actually like a good idea, but probably not possible.
It would be stinky glitter.
Yeah.
And nothing is worse than stinky glitter.
But what's very helpful is that I made a mold of my body so that, like, the scales are, you know, on the tail as if I'm wearing it. And John so graciously helped me duct tape my entire lower body so that I could make this.
Didn't you make a video of that?
Yeah. I
Did
made
you
a time
post it?
lapse.
Did you post it?
Yeah. There's
Oh,
a
okay.
time lapse on my Instagram stories, highlights, as well as in a video on my channel. I will link both in the description below.
Okay. I just want like a little something.
I have a whole bag of oranges. Are you feeling vitamin C? What kind of face is that? You're not feeling vitamin C?
No, I'm just, saying when somebody says, man, I'm super hungry. They're usually not looking for an orange.
You said I just want a little snack.
Other things you would need for this project. Lots of these.
Lots.
Oh, made by GE.
Yeah.
2 pairs of scissors, 1 black, 1 teal, turquoise, and then a 3rd pair of scissors, 1 blue.
Good morning. It is Wednesday, I'm pretty sure. This little one slept over last night. Oh my god, I have my Invisalign in. That's better. Yes, this little one slept over last night. I didn't vlog a ton yesterday, but I finished all of the silicone tubes that I had, and I'm about 1/4, almost halfway done with the dorsal side of my tail. On the agenda today is taking Josie home and then going to Home Depot and getting more silicone. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Okay, let's go.
I'm covered in glitter and I have literally this much left on my tail. But I'm pretty much done. Also got an update about my event deadline. Has been pushed back because the pool was booked, or we just couldn't make it happen on that day. So it was pushed back, it was postponed, which I'm kind of disappointed about because I was excited for it. But it's probably for the best so that I can have more time to prepare and practice and have the business side of it more accessible. But yeah, so that's the updates. My hand is literally like red and covered with glitter. Like I look like an actual scaly being. Okay, I'm trying on my tail since the silicone's dried now, but it's so difficult to put the freaking foot strap on. Oh, no. There. Okay.
You want me to pull it?
Yeah. This is like a workout.
Show my face.
Okay, does not want to be associated.
No.
Okay.
There you go.
Is it on right? No, yeah, pull it more. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, it's coming too loose. You were right.
I think it was the silicone.
But like,
It weighs it down.
It's Thursday. Holy smokes. I don't even think I filmed that much yesterday apart from finishing my tail scales. But I definitely have a lot more work to do because it doesn't really fit that best. I just sat down and edited week 1 of my Becoming a Mermaid YouTube series. So you're currently watching episode 2. If you didn't watch episode 1, go watch it now. So thank you very much if you did watch episode 1 and you are back for more. Highly appreciate it. I would really love to throw in a swimming sequence, training sequence, but my pool is closed until further notice, and I have not gotten a further notice yet. Really worked hard this morning on episode 1, and I think it's done. So I'm gonna render and upload and all that jazz, and then talk to you later. So it is Friday, and I am just cleaning up. I'm trying to find a way to clean this up without like getting glitter absolutely everywhere, which, you know, it's already kind of too late for that. And there's like a freaking stain already on my tail. So I'm going to water test it and put it in my bathtub, and then also try to get this frickin', I'll show you. I don't know what this is. So today is cleaning up and water testing in my bathtub. I have a lot to figure out. But I'm excited about it and it looks dope. Like, if not functional, it's like a really cool art piece. Look at how